Welcome back to Off-Road Outlaws. In today's video, I picked up a truck from someone. He was selling it, and we're just going to be working on it. So first things first, let's get rid of this bumper. Let's put this one on it. This does look nice. I think this looks nicer. Fender, we're just going to keep the fender. Rear bumper, oh my god, what is that? We're just going to keep a stock one on. Bed type. Flat? No. Cage. Let's get rid of it. I think the full cage is nice. Running board. That's nice. Roof light. Oh, we'll keep that. Snorkel. We'll keep it. Spare wheel. Actually, there we go. Horn. Get rid of those demon horns, bro. Windshield protection. Get rid of it. Front lights, sure. Winch, sure. Jack, yes. Exhaust pipe, let's get rid of the hood stacks. Let's get those. Headlights, ugh. Gun rack, sure. Repair pack, we're definitely putting a toolbox in. Mirror, I guess we can keep the mirrors on it. Yeah. So there we go. Alright, we don't need to do anything to it. Change, wait, tune, axle. We do need to change, like, all of this. Let's lift it. There we go. Rear steering. We don't need steering in the back. Alright, there. Wheels and tires. Get rid of that rim size, bro. I don't like it. There we go, something nicer. We'll just keep the wheel size and all that. Wait, should we put bicycle wheels? No. Yeah, that's all we need to do. So, I mean, it wasn't hard doing it. Now we're just gonna go into the woods and play with it. And break it a bit. What's the inside look like? Did y'all see that? Oh, that was sick. Alright. I just landed it. Oh no. Uh-oh. I don't want to flip. No. I'm trying to save it. God. No. Hold on. How much money do I have? $32. Wow. I probably just spent like $1,000 on it. But oh, okay, it's still going. I just didn't see it. But yeah. Actually, I do want to take the boat out real quick. I do want to take it out. Wait, do I pull it with me? Man, that would just be so sick. Screw it, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, Bill. Alright. Oh, no. No. Alright, there we go, guys. Back on. Who made me do that? No way, I just hit that button. Wrong way, bud. I really don't feel bad for you. Wrong way. Oh my god. How are we gonna get in here? Oh no. Why is, okay, what's my, it's so cool how I'm just pulling the boat. No way. The truck is so small, it actually needs me to get it out. Well, I feel bad for you, bud, because you got a jet boat to race. He's probably thinking, what the heck? I feel you, dude. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna get over so some people can get in here. Oh, that's cool. We don't want to. Alright, swap car. Let's go, bro. It's actually hard to get this going around. Move! There's a race. think he already knows who's gonna win. What? Oh. I'm sorry. Whoa! Oh, oh no, 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 no. I just made it ahead. I'm definitely faster. I just can't get to speed quick enough. I think that's my problem. I can't get to speed quick enough. Where is he? This is what this guy's driving? Yup. Yo, you want to play guns? You play guns? Let me see. Oh, we got some guns. No, we don't. Where you at, boy? There you go. Hold on, this gonna be my this gonna be my thumbnail. Sorry about that. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.